Um, let's see here. Why don't you go around to the left? Give it gas. Hold on, slow down. This fucking idiot's coming right across you. Come on, get the fuck out of the way. Slow down, fella, slow down. Now watch him slow down right in front of us. Come on, buddy. All right, now go. Go straight across. What a fucking jackass. Give it some gas. All right, slow down a little. That's good. Go right around the backside. If you like to do some recreational boating, don't come to Lake Beulah. It appears there's a overabundance of sailboats here. And I like sailboats, but they should share the lake with the rest of the people that are out here. All right, go to the left, Carla. Left. Yeah, there you go. Now give it some gas. Give her. Give it. Go to the left of that boat.